Hey guys, today we're doing some commercial carpet cleaning. I'm back here at the Republic Bank building. This one's up here on the third floor. As you can see, it's not heavily soiled anywhere. Too bad up here. It's a big conference room. I'm just using the truck mount here. Everything's cleaning up pretty good. We've already hit all this stuff in these offices. Unfortunately, the floor's not level anywhere. It'll all dry evenly and look really good. This is probably a 30-year-old carpet or so. As you can see, it's pretty worn. This is funny. This will let you know just how old this carpet is right here. This is actually a cigarette burn. And there was a time where bankers used to just sit back here and smoke cigarettes. This is actually new carpet right here. And it's the same kind of carpet, so you can see just how worn it is. Yeah, you still got to go down this row, hit all these little cubicles. Everything should clean up pretty good. I don't see anything too alarming. A lot of times people ask us, hey, how could you get a truck mount up here on the third floor? And we just run every hose we get. What we'll do is we'll get set up here and end up finding the nearest stairwell, like right here, and run it all the way down to our van. They could use us to even come in here and clean up these stairwells. As you can see, still running hoses. Set up for this job, it gets to be a pretty big pain, but at least we're able to get it done. A lot of times, you know, I mean, you got a 30-year-old carpet. Good luck trying to clean it with a portable. You need a truck mount. But that's our setup. We're about halfway done. Probably have, I don't know, another 2 hours here. If you guys need any commercial carpet cleaning, give us a call. You can book us online, windycitysteam.com.